second most versatile piece of equipment in the kitchen. Tilt skillet, Combi is going to be number one. Combi is our Combi oven. They've been around for over 40 years, but understand that it's a steamer, it's a convection oven, and it's also both. So to try to cram all this into a small video is very difficult to do, but just for a quick glimpse, I'm going to show you. I'm going to steam up here, and if you notice, I'm not steaming at 212 degrees like you see in the steamer over there. Traditional steamer at 212 degrees, people don't realize is a very aggressive environment, but steam is also the most efficient way to cook because of heat transfer. But what we're doing is we're taking that 212 down to 180. Got some green vegetables, and if anybody watching this has ever overcooked spinach, asparagus, broccoli, I know I'm not the only one. When it goes from that beautiful bright green to that dark army green, you've lost texture, flavor, and nutrients. So by steaming 32 degrees below what a normal steamer is going at, we don't have to shock our vegetables. So I don't have to go into an ice bath from here, which obviously, as you know, after you do that, when you look at the water, even if you steamed it or blanched it perfectly or in boiling water and stovetop, what color does that water turn? It turns green, which still you're losing some of your nutrients. So all I'm gonna do is throw this in here for a couple of minutes. Notice our disappearing door, so I can have all of my prep right here and not worry about knocking into that with the doors. Hotel pans, we can go sideways. We have 2.5 inch deep. In our 6-pan series, we can actually get 12 of these steam pan size right there, or you can fit 7 full-size sheet trays. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to our tray timer. I'm gonna set my timer right there for 4 minutes. Hit the check, and then when that timer goes off, it's going to be time to remove. So down here, all I'm doing is I'm running it in standard convection mode. So the only time I use standard convection mode, knowing that this is a Combi oven that uses steam and hot air, is if I want things to be crispy and getting brown. Because obviously steam, you're gonna have moisture. Moisture slows down browning. So anytime I'm doing things like raw dough, or if I'm doing items that I want to be crispy, like we're gonna do these little pancetta chips here. Also, a chef wants me to do some maple and brown sugar glazed bacon and just some regular bacon. So we're going to put all of this in at the same time. Now, this is chef's recipe. I've never done it before. So instead of just throwing it in here and keep eyeballing it and opening and closing the door, I'm going to use my tray timer. So just like a bunch of egg timers right here. So I know that my bacon on that top shelf, I know that takes 12 minutes. Now the maple bacon, I'm not sure. So I'm going to set myself a timer for 15. And I'm going to set my timer for 17. So we'll check it after that time so I know in the future how long it actually takes. So obviously I think that pancetta is going to be relatively close to the time on the bacon. We'll check that after 10. So now I can see all of my timers in real time. If I have to leave or if I have to step off the line, anybody that walks up to this oven can walk up here and see, okay, I can see everything on the trays here. I can see how much time every tray has left. So if the alarm goes off, that tray will blink and we'll know what product to take out at what time. So we got 3 seconds left here on our broccolini. So right to vent, because obviously I don't want all that steam coming out at me or other employees in the kitchen. And then left to open. And then obviously I'm just going to slide this out of the way. And here you go. We're going to take a picture of this color right now. And you can see still beautiful, bright green, and that doesn't have to be shocked. I could let that sit out all day, which obviously you don't want to, but I could let that sit out all day long and it will not change color or texture because we didn't drive out the chlorophyll, steaming at 212 degrees. So a lot of advantages to low temp steaming. You can do sous vide inside of Combis now. I can only speak on Combi. I've done their testing. I've done a 72-hour short rib, and it held it within, 1.2 degrees. And I actually have a graph because the Combi actually logs all of its HACCP, so I could see the probe temperature of the product and the oven temperature, how long it held there, and to see how precise that actually is. If you can look inside the oven, you see a little element. What that is that's our integrated smoker. Ours is fully programmable. It's built into not only the controls, but the oven itself. So I can program that for hot or cold smoking. Really, in my opinion, when you're using these ovens to their full capacity, that to me means they're running 24 hours a day, even if there's no employees there. So at the end of the night, I can throw in brisket, pork shoulder, whatever proteins that you want to cook overnight. I can have that pre-programmed. And then when I come in the morning, that product's just sitting there ready to be portioned out, sliced, chilled, whatever it may be, already there and done. So the morning crew comes in, removes the product, does whatever they need to do with it, and up and run.